Hello, I'm from the optional Pakai Emote team. Now, I will presenting our pitch game entitled Drown. So, this is a teaser for our game. Enjoy! Okay, that's it about our teaser. So now, I will explain a summary of our game. So, what is Drown? Drown is an adventure puzzle game that follows the journey of a person on a crucial mission to rescue Jakarta from the impending threat of submersion caused by escalating global warming. So, to accomplish this, he embarked on a journey into the future to retrieve the necessary tools for solving these issues. And for now, our target platform is Steam and itch.io. Okay, the next one is Who. So, why our game is unique? Because we take story reference from topics or news that are trending in Indonesia, namely Jakarta sinking or in Indonesia, Jakarta tenggelam. It can be seen from the data on the screen that a lot of news discuss this disaster and can also be seen from the statistic made by Google Trends about the search for Jakarta tenggelam is still happening until now. Then, we give players a thrill of challenge while exploring an interesting storyline in an effort to stop global warming and prevent Jakarta from sinking. And can be seen from the teaser or GIF below, we provide exploring maps, playing puzzle, fighting monster, and many more. Okay, now I will show you a mechanic in this game. There is a player mechanic. We use WASD on the keyboard for players to walk, space for rolling and picking up or doing interact items. Okay, then I will show you some of monster animation. The first one is monster roar, and then spin, and then there is chakram to attack you. Okay, now it's a gameplay. In our game, players have the opportunity to explore diverse maps and utilize teleportation to move between scenes, you can see in here. Also, they can engage in puzzle games that require them to replicate predefined patterns. So, they need to follow the patterns. And then, players can initiate dialogue with NPCs to uncover the underlying stories in this game. Then, to evade monster attacks, players can roll and they must outmaneuver objects thrown by the monster. Furthermore, players need to defeat this monster by avoiding incoming projectiles and collecting randomly spawning balls for offensive maneuvers. Okay, now for the core loop. First, the player must travel to the future and solve puzzles to obtain an item, then they must return to the past and fight the monster. Okay, now for the reference. For the puzzle, we took a reference from the puzzle game named The Witness and we changed it to a puzzle like now. Then for the portal and fighting monster reference, we took reference from the game Cocoon and we adapt it to be like this. This is portal in round and fighting monster. Okay, the next one is target audience. So here are some of the target audience. The first one is adventure game enthusiast. The second one is puzzle game enthusiast. The third one is time travel element enthusiast. And the last one is narrative games enthusiast. So why we choose this for target audience? Because we look at the genre and gameplay in our game, namely adventure, puzzle, time travel, and in our game we also have a very interesting story. Okay, so the next one is future plans. First, of course, this game is just a prototype, so there's more things to do to improve this game. So the first one, we will add more monster because in this prototype we only have one monster. Then we plan to add two or more monster. Then we want to expand our map so we can give a more exciting vibe to the player. Of course, the third one, we will provide more puzzles and create a more complex one. And the last one, we will add more items. Okay, disclaimer. For the Portal MX, as I showed in the slide, this free asset. Apart from that, like characters, maps, etc., we made them ourselves in 2 days. Okay, this is optional packet emote team. The team consists of 10 people with 2 project managers, 2 game designers, 3 game programmers, and 3 game artists. Okay, so that's it, a drone pitch presentation. Thanks for watching. Bye.